You have the blue. This is the G33, easy to identify with the two cameras. Texture on the back, blue logo, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password, and no matter what you do, you can't remember, you didn't write it down, so let me help you. All right, we've got to reset the phone to then be able to reset the PIN, pattern, or password. To turn off the phone, we got to power it off first. We're going to hold down volume up and power. Volume up, power brings up the power menu, and here we'll power it off. Just takes a few seconds. And then now we have to bring up the Android recovery menu, and same thing, we're going to hold volume up and power at the exact same time. As soon as the phone is completely powered off, it gave me the little vibration to confirm. So now we're going to hold volume up and power. Volume up, power, holding at the same time. Keep holding, and we'll let go as soon as we see the blue logo. Keep holding, there it is. Now you can let go. And in just a few more seconds, the Android recovery menu will show up. All right, at the Android recovery menu, let's use the volume keys to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Press OK with power. One more time, this will wipe all user data, and this cannot be undone. Scroll down to factory data reset with volume. Press OK with power. It could take just a few seconds or a minute or two, and then when the data wipe is complete, it is safe to reboot the system. Keep in mind that if you have set up your phone, your blue G33, with your Google or Gmail account, ran out of battery. All right, plugged it in. So lastly, if you have set up your blue G33 with your Google, Gmail, or any email account, you will 100% still need your Google or Gmail account to log back into your phone in order then to reset the PIN, pattern, or password. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.